modern machine, CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. From the factory showing, Lucy already introduced several laser machines with detailed information. And this one is our small size, 1.3 meter for X and YX 90 centimeters. It can do both engraving and cutting work with very high accuracy and very fast speed, like this crystal engraving. It's mainly used for the small letters like this, crystal letters or Latin letters. Also, we can do the engraving like this, but with black color. The blue color will use another model's CO2 laser machine, not like this. And for these samples, this is for cutting work, acrylic cutting work. The edge is very bright and with very fast speed cuts through. Never need the polishing machine to polish it. The thickness within 20 mm can cut a very good effect by the CO2 laser machine. If you want to cut more thickness acrylic, you can consider the CC router instead. So how we consider how we choose one laser machine? Firstly, please make us know what work you want to do with the CO2 laser machine. You want to do the engraving work like this, or do the cutting work like this, or both. If only do the engraving work, you can consider the 60 watt, 80 watt. If you want to do the cutting work, you can consider 100 watt, 130 watt, 150 watt, or 180 watt. Of course, it should be based on the requirement of the customers. Also, if you want to do both engraving and cutting work, you can consider the 80 watt and 100 watt laser tube, along with the relative power supply. Okay, and this machine, there's also extra configuration. That's the up-down working table. The up-down working table transmission like this, ball screw and belt transmission. So by control the software, we can make the machine table this one, aluminum working table up and down automatically. So it can make sure the distance from the bottom of the laser head to the surface of the material is fixed. This also ensures the high accuracy because various material there's with different thickness. So if the table is fixed, you need to adjust the distance one by one. With the automatic up-down table, then no need to do this work. It's very convenient. Also, the up-down working table can also necessary for the honeycomb table adding and the rotary device adding. Honeycomb table is used to the softer material like paper, leather, cloth, fabric. This is soft material for that engraving and cutting. And the rotary device is used for irregular goods engraving, like bottles, pencils, and so on. For CO2 laser machine, where it can use, like craft and advertising industry, like what? 广告还 like what? Like small letters like crystal letters and Latin letters. Signage making industry like trademark letters. Okay, and also the leather industry like shoes cutting, the fabric industry like the clothing, jeans cutting and engraving. Also the decoration and the building material like marble, glass, and crystal engraving work.后边是啥的？ If you want to do the work with very high efficiency, then you can also choose our double head laser machine. We also have in our factory, so if any interest, you can contact our staff members. So, okay, today I will only introduce these 3 machines. If you have any questions, we are always here. Okay, bye, my dear friend. Please turn the screen to the host. Thank you.